Just to the south of Liberty on Abercorn is the Square of Lafayette, where the ghost stories of the Hamilton Turner Inn are set. The house was built for the Hamilton family in 1873. It was the first house in Savannah to be wired for electricity. The mansion played host to many a fancy party in its day. During the party, the children were sent to the billiard table to play. Oftentimes, the children would let a billiard ball roll down the stairs as an excuse to catch a glimpse of the guests dancing in pairs. Now it is told that many a guest and occasional employee, too, can hear the billiard balls rolling and rattling the whole building through. But children aren't the only ghosts who haunt this lovely inn. There are others who inhabit the place that are quite hard to pin. For instance, there are people who claim on certain nights you can see on the roof of the building a mysterious cigar-smoking man. Some say he is a guard still on watch from a long time ago, or perhaps a former owner watching the great Savannah show. For from that roof one can see the Cathedral of St. John and watch this haunting city and all the things that have come and gone.